Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to connect ManyChat to n8n. First, go to the n8n website and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, click on Add First Step to start a new workflow. In the search bar, type HTTP and click on HTTP request. Here, you'll see a list of request methods. Choose the one that fits your use case like GET, POST, PUT, PATCH, DELETE, HEAD, or Options. Next, open a new tab and go to the ManyChat website. Log into your ManyChat account and copy the API URL you want to connect with. Now, go back to n8n and paste that URL into the URL field of the HTTP request node. After that, go to the Authentication section and choose a method. For ManyChat, select Predefined Credential tab or Generate Credential depending on what is available. Now, click on Create New Credential. Here, you'll need to enter your ManyChat API key. To get this, go back to the ManyChat dashboard. From the left-hand side, click on Settings. Scroll down and click on API. Here, you'll find your API key, copy it. Now, return to n8n and paste the API key into the required field. Click on Save. Once everything is saved, your HTTP request node is now ready to communicate with ManyChat. Now, you can go back to the workflow and run it to test the connection. And that's it, you've successfully connected ManyChat to n8n. Thanks for watching, hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.